Is Canada's housing market on the verge of a crash? For the first time in many years, housing prices in Canada's largest cities have experienced a significant decline, with an average drop of around 5%. This trend is especially pronounced in condos and apartments. Housing prices had soared after interest rates spiked in 2020, with many landlords passing increased costs on to renters. This was particularly evident in high-cost cities like Toronto, where property taxes are 2 to 3 times the national average, and demand for housing remains strong. What's driving the decline? Several factors are contributing to this shift in the market. Immigration policy changes. Prime Minister Justin Trudeau's decision to restrict immigration has reduced housing demand significantly. Investors who relied on renting properties for profit are now rethinking their strategies. It's becoming increasingly difficult to turn single-family homes into multi-room rental spaces and still generate profits. As a result, some homeowners are rushing to sell their properties before prices fall further. The housing market has always been cyclical, with periods of sharp increases followed by corrections. What sets this current trend apart is the historically low interest rates that persisted for over a decade, making it easier for individuals to buy properties, rent them out, and still earn a profit. The consequences of this housing crisis has been catastrophic for younger generations. Recent polls show how nearly 1 in 3 adult males under the age of 30 is still living with his parents, with many of them citing the cost of living as the primary factor causing this. If history is to repeat itself, these drops in the cost of a home in every province, even though small, is a very good indicator that a market correction is happening in real time. In our next episode, we will be looking at appraisals and the various ways which rich homeowners are able to game this system designed to calculate the value of your home. We will go over the various ways with which investors and speculators have driven up the cost of homes through conducting unscrupulous appraisals. If you like this content and want to help support the channel, please remember to like and subscribe and leave a comment below.